Hey, okay, friends, I am popping on to do a tutorial on the Essentials Eye Palette. This is for holiday. No talc is in here. It's unbelievably sourced and so safe for you. And we also really take into consideration where we pull our mica, like the shimmery, shiny stuff in your cosmetics, especially eyeshadow and like liquid eyeshadow or liquid bronzers and so forth. You want to be mindful of where they source the mica and make sure that they are auditing the mica mines like we do here at Beautycounter. So look at this gorgeous palette here. I've been using this for a couple of weeks right now. And all of these colors are just absolutely incredible on any skin type. So today I am going to show a tutorial of how to utilize this palette, and I'm gonna have fun with it. I'm going to start with the color Pashmina here, right in the corner. And I'm going to apply that to all over my lid. So I'm picking up some of the eyeshadow. And what you want to think about when you're applying eyeshadow is to press and pat. So I'm going to, you can see I'm just kind of, I'm not like dragging, like I'm not taking my brush and dragging, I'm pressing and patting. So I'm building a really nice, beautiful canvas on the one eye. Okay, I'm gonna go left. And I'm just pressing and patting. I have on Skin Twin color 350 with the new Nectar Cream Blush. That's in the holiday collection. So that's just the base layer. You could go out in just Pashmina, friends. It's gorgeous. So next what I'm going to do is, it is daytime, so I'm gonna stay, even though I'm in my party dress, I'm gonna stay a little bit conservative, however, not too much. So I'm going to go with Kona here, which is right next to Pashmina. And here I'm using a flat brush, which is, see how flat that is? Now I'm going to pick up a more rounded brush like this. And I'm going to create a backward V on my eye. So I'm gonna grab Kona, and again, I'm just taking, I'm gonna tap, and I do a V on my eye. See that V? Now I'm going to just follow and pull in the color of the V to the outer part of my eye. And it looks, I mean, I haven't blended it at all yet, but I typically go about like right where my pupil is. I draw that V and then I backfill into the V. So see that? Okay, it's very heavy because I haven't blended, which is okay. So I'm gonna tap, I'm gonna go to the left side, build the V, there's the V, and I'm going to fill in halfway on my eye. Okay, now to blend a little bit, I'm gonna take a little bit of a fluffier brush. And if you guys want links for brushes, just send me a DM or send me a message and I'm happy to. This brush was like $6. Mine, sourced mindfully, not using like real, it's more synthetic fibers. So now I'm just like, I'm making like little circles and just kind of blending out that line that, comes to the middle part of my eye. And I just do little circles and like windshield wiper back and forth to just blend out the color. Okay. You can go up a little bit, blend it, blend it, blend it, blend it. Okay. So I have that. Now I'm gonna put this brush down. I'm gonna grab onto my flat brush again, which is here. And I'm going to take Parfait, which is this pink color, and I'm gonna pull it to the inner part of my eyelids. So just bringing it to the middle part of my eyelid, halfway to where I kind of stopped with the Kona. Okay, other side, picking up the color, pressing and patting. Okay, I want a little bit more color there. Our eyeshadow is highly, highly pigmented, so a little bit goes a really, really long way. And you can just kind of play with like where, you know, where your, how your eyes are feeling, what they're feeling like, and just blend. Don't be afraid to use the darker colors. Okay, do you see these sparkles here, this pretty rose color? I'm gonna go to the inner corner of my eye just to add a little bit of dimension. So I'm gonna pick it up here. And this, for the sparkles, you really want to just press, do not rub. I just want a little bit of shimmer on the corner of my eye. You could also even get your brush a little bit wet to have the sparkles stick a little bit more. So there we have it. Okay, so I'm actually really, really happy with how I used the whole entire palette. So I'm just looking at the colors here if I want to bring in anything else, but I actually think this is good. So recap what I did. I put Pashmina right here all over my eyelid. Brought in Kona for the corner. I did a backwards V and then filled in. Then I brought Parfait corner to fill in, blended. And then I took Rose, which is here with the sparkles, and I just added a little bit of sparkle. So I'm going to add a little bit of mascara and finish off my eyebrows, and I will show you the end result.
Okay, let's finish the end result. Here I'm using the eyebrow gel from Beautycounter in the color light, and I'm literally just painting my eyebrows, shaping them, making them nice and beautifully pronounced. Then I'm grabbing onto the Think Big Mascara. This was 5 years in the making. I love this mascara. A lot of conventional mascaras will have carbon black within them, so you want to make sure you're choosing something safer for your eyes. Finishing with a Beyond Gloss, and we've got the finishing look with the new holiday palette. I love it so much. It's natural looking and oh so amazing for day or night.